And what is up, everyone? Steven here, and today I've got a bit of a surprise video for you. Recently got something, and I think it's time I did an unboxing. But first off, I want to mention, if the setup feels a bit kind of haphazardly put together, it's because it is. I just recently moved apartments and haven't been able to set up my desktop yet, so I'm just running all of this off my laptop, and just barely got everything set up. But anyway, I've had a controller for my computer for a while, and I'm not sure I've ever shown it on camera, but how long have I had this? Since, well, about 6 months, or a bit longer. White Xbox One S controller. It's pretty much the best controller you can get for PC, but I decided it was time to take it to the next level, and so I got this. Okay, I am so excited for this. So, Xbox has this thing where you can design your own controller, and they build it, and they send it to you. And they said to expect like 14 weeks to process it, but it shipped in like a couple days, and then was delivered a week after I ordered it. I ordered it last Thursday or Friday afternoon, and oh, this is weird. Let's just do that. Use gravity as our friend. So the kind of look that I went for, and oh, I just realized I don't have a reference point. Hang on. So I kind of went with an aesthetic to kind of mimic my keyboard, which is mostly dark gray and a little bit of black with a few orange accents. So that's the theme that I went with for this controller, and I've only seen the virtual render of it, so this is really exciting for me. I've never seen this in person. I hope it doesn't look terrible. Oh, and I did not cut that. There we go. Okay. Are you excited? Oh, man. Oh, that looks awesome. Whoa. Okay. I did not expect these metallic orange things to be this dark. Can you see that? How well can you see that? Yeah. It's darker than I expected. And it looks so cool. It looks kind of like a bronze. Oh, jeez. There's a slight fit and finish mediocrity there. But okay. Oh man, it looks great and feels great. I mean, it feels like an Xbox controller. So, anyway, yeah, this is pretty cool. I like it. Now, would I recommend this? No, probably not. It's because, so here's the thing. You can get a regular Xbox controller, like this white one, for about $50 or $60 if it's not on sale. The custom controllers start at $70? $70, I think. But this maxed out version, because I got all the bells and whistles, so this one set me back about $100. And so, can you justify spending twice as much on a controller just for looks? That's the question you gotta ask yourself. But I mean, if you're interested, I'll have links to it down below. I'll also have links to the Amazon things for the regular controller. Now, if I had my desktop set up and had a bit more time, I would probably say I'm gonna fire up Duck Game and put this through its maiden voyage, but I think its maiden voyage will just have to wait for a little while until that gets set back up, because I'm not recording it on my laptop. That's just not happening. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe as you see fit, and I will figuratively see you in the next one.